Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add music to your Snapchat story. But before we get to that, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this one, and also hit the bell icon so you do not miss any more updates from us. So now let's get started with the video. So adding music to a Snapchat story is very easy. So you open up the Snapchat app, and here you either record a video or just take a photo. So you just take a photo. And once you do that, you have this music icon here. So you'll click on the music icon and then you will search for a song. So what you can also do is edit which part of the music that you would like. You can just scroll this button over here to choose which part of the song you'd like to appear on your story. So once you do that, you'll tap on the right accept button, and if I play, so you can see the music's playing. So once you do that, you will click on send to, and you click on my story or my story friends only, and then you click on send. So now if you go to your profile and you click on my story, you can hear that it's working. So that's how you add music to your story, guys. It's very simple, very easy, and Snapchat makes it very easy for everyone. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helps you guys. Thank you so much for watching again, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.